What if you could buy a classic Cadillac Limousine, a rare Studebaker, or a vintage Mercury for less than $10,000? Today, we're counting down 15 incredible classic cars that could become your next restoration project.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into another amazing collection of affordable classic cars from across the United States. We've got everything from elegant luxury sedans and stylish convertibles to powerful muscle cars and rare collector's models. Some of these classics are fully drivable, some need a little work, and others are waiting for a complete restoration. No matter which one you choose, every single car has its own story to tell. Be sure to stay until the very end, because some of the rarest and most interesting vehicles are still ahead.
Car number 1, 1956 Studebaker President, $5,000. We're starting today's list with this beautiful 1956 Studebaker President from Bunch, Oklahoma. Power comes from a 289 V8 paired with an automatic transmission. The seller says the engine turns freely, although the starter still needs to be rebuilt before the car can return to the road. A new carburetor, distributor, fuel tank, and ignition components have already been installed, and most of the interior has been restored. For someone who appreciates uncommon classics, this Studebaker could be a fantastic find.
Car number 2, 1950 Nash Airflight, $8,500. Next up is this distinctive 1950 Nash Airflight located in Southwest Michigan. According to the seller, the car has covered only 37,000 original miles and has remained with the same owner for more than a decade. Both the paint and the interior were restored years ago, and the car still carries its original Iowa title. Its aerodynamic design helped make the Airflight one of the most recognizable American cars of the early 1950s.
Car number 3. $1948 Plymouth Custom for $9,500. This 1948 Plymouth Custom has plenty of vintage character. The seller says the car still runs and drives well and features a 6-cylinder engine connected to a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column. Older paint and upholstery remain in place, giving the car an authentic appearance. Several extra parts are also included, which is always good news for future owners.
Car number 4, 1950 Ford Custom, $7,500. Here's a customized 1950 Ford Custom from Wisconsin. Under the hood is a rebuilt 302 V8 paired with a C4 automatic transmission. The seller recently brought the car back to life after it had been stored for years, and several upgrades have already been completed. Dual exhaust, an aluminum radiator, and a custom interior make this classic feel much more modern while preserving its original style.
Car number 5, 1955 Studebaker Champion, $8,000. We'll finish part 1 with another Studebaker. This 1955 Champion has undergone an extensive restoration and now features a small block Chevrolet V8 engine, 4-wheel disc brakes, fresh paint, and updated trim. The seller says there is no rust and almost everything has been rebuilt. It's certainly one of the cleanest cars in today's collection.
Car number 6, 1946 Chevrolet Fleetmaster, $9,500. The Fleetmaster remains one of the most recognizable cars of the post-war era. This example still uses its original 6-volt electrical system and 3-speed manual transmission. The seller says it runs and drives well, making it a wonderful choice for anyone looking for a piece of automotive history.
Car number 7, 1964 Cadillac Series 75 Fleetwood Limousine, $3,600. Finding a factory limousine from the 1960s is already unusual, and finding one at this price is even more surprising. Under the hood sits Cadillac's legendary 429 V8 engine. The car has been sitting for a while, but the engine still turns freely. With some patience and restoration work, this limousine could become an incredible showpiece. Car number 8, 1955 Mercury Montclair, $7,000. This Mercury spent decades in storage and still retains most of its original parts. The interior was restored years ago, and the seller has collected many replacement components to help complete the project. Although the engine isn't currently running, the car remains an excellent candidate for restoration.
Car number 9, 1967 Ford Econoline Ranch Wagon, $5,200. Vintage vans have become increasingly popular, and this Econoline wagon certainly stands out. It features a 289 V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. The engine and one brake are currently locked up, but the body and interior appear to be in good condition.
Car number 10. '63 Chevrolet Corvair Monza convertible, $6,500. This stylish convertible combines sporty looks with the unique rear engine design that made the Corvair famous. Equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, the car runs, drives, and stops properly. According to the seller, it needs only minor work before it's ready for countless weekend adventures. Car number 11, 1965 Plymouth Fury 3, $3,500. Here's a solid project car with plenty of potential. This Fury 3 is powered by a 318 small block V8 and still carries most of its original components. The seller says there are only a couple of rust spots, while the rest of the body remains in surprisingly good condition. A set of American racing wheels gives the car an aggressive look. It will definitely need some work, but for someone who enjoys restoring classic Mopars, this could be a fun project. Car number 12, 1954 Packard Cavalier, $3,000. This Packard is another hidden treasure waiting for the right owner. The engine starts, the body is largely complete, and rust appears to be minimal. Finding an affordable Packard in this condition isn't easy these days, which makes this luxury cruiser a very interesting opportunity for collectors. Car number 13, 1966 Ford Mustang, $10,000. No classic car collection feels complete without a Mustang. This one is equipped with an inline-6 engine, a manual transmission, and even a period-correct air conditioning system. The seller says the car starts easily and runs very well. Although the paint shows its age, this Mustang still has all the charm that made it an American icon. Car number 14, 1969 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, $7,000. This rare Corvair Monza is one of the final examples ever produced. Only a limited number were built in this color combination, making it a desirable collector's item. The engine has received plenty of attention, including rebuilt carburetors and new ignition components. Some restoration work remains, but the car still offers a solid foundation. Car number 15, 1962 Chrysler 300, $12,000. We'll finish today's lineup with this elegant Chrysler 300. Powered by a strong 383 cubic inch V8 engine and backed by a fresh 727 automatic transmission, this car is ready to cruise. The seller reports solid floors and a solid trunk, making it one of the more complete vehicles in today's selection. That's our collection of 15 affordable classic cars for today. Which one would you choose? The Cadillac Limousine, the Mercury Montclair, the Chevrolet Fleetmaster, or the legendary Ford Mustang? Leave your answer in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another classic car collection. We'll see you in the next video.